Hey, how's it going? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial. This tutorial will be on how to display information about the Rainwave song that is playing in your chat. Because your chatters might be on mobile, they might not be able to see what this overlay is saying about which song it is, who the artist is, stuff like that. So this will be how to display that in chat. So if I go like this in chat, we're going to see some info. If I type in RW info OC, it'll give you the name of the song, the artist, and a link. And this link, oftentimes, not always, will take you to ocremix.org and give you a YouTube video to click on in case you want to save it to a playlist. Because, let's be honest, we don't like all the songs that we hear on OC Remix sometimes. So, save your favorites, and if you feel it not rolling the dice with the Rainwave website, then just go to your playlist, which you've been accumulating through the time of listening to Rainwave. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to make this command. Okay, so also, if you find videos like these helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. And actually, I made a video on how to add Rainwave to your stream. So if you want to watch that, go check that out, because this video won't be of any use to you unless you already have Rainwave set up for OBS. And Rainwave is, let me show you the site. This is Rainwave right here. It has various categories of video game music. So you have game, chiptune, OC Remix, or covers. And then each game that comes up, people are voting on which song they want to listen to. There's not a lot of people that vote, but that's how the next game song is decided. So yeah, it's just a place to listen to gaming music. And they have ways to integrate the overlay with OBS, and I also have a way to integrate the stations on your OBS as well. So you'll want to watch that video if you want to really get maximum use out of this video. Okay, so I am going to show you how to get an API key for Rainwave, because you need that in order to get this information displaying in chat. This is going to be kind of weird because with API keys, you don't really want to show your API keys. So what I will be doing is, when I don't want you to see my API key, I'm going to pull to another screen, pull up my API keys, kind of cut back over, and then I'm going to black out my API keys so you can't see those. Okay? But here's what you want to do. Okay? I am going to log out. Over here. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on login. Okay, I had some trouble logging in because I forgot my password. And the issue wasn't my password, it was because I logged in with Discord. So you don't have to actually enter a password, you just click on login and then you click on like login with Discord. I'll show you again, like this. If you don't have a Discord, you should get one, because if you want to build a community, that's a good place for your community to be when you're not streaming. So yeah, get a Discord set up if you don't have one set up. Okay, so next what we'll do is on the rainwave.cc website, you click on the top right corner on the menu. We're going to go to API docs. Now there's a lot of information. I'm changing the song. I'm changing the song. Okay. And while we're at it, let's see what info we get for this song. Yeah, so here's an example. This example, we don't always get to the link for the song. We do for some of them, not for all of them. I have a fix for that. Unfortunately, it's not a fix I'm going into today. We're only going to focus on Rainwave today, and I'll try to make my next video a fix for this, for not getting this link. Okay? Alright, so let's go to... We're going to scroll down. You're looking for this. This is where you get a key. Okay. Now when I click on this, you'll see my keys right away. So I'm gonna move my browser to my next monitor. I'm gonna pull up the keys. We're gonna cut back, and then I'll tell you how to get the keys. So 1 second. Okay, so what you're gonna do is once you're at the API key manager screen, you'll click on create API key, and it will simply create it for you. You'll get a code, a series of numbers and letters. So save that. Maybe post it in a notepad, like open your notepad, and just post it in there. And just save it as like Rainwave API key. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the API key, we're also gonna get your user ID. Okay, back at the API documentation page, the link you're gonna want to use is /API4-info. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what your URL is gonna look like, and you're simply going to replace where I have my ID and API key and put yours. So let me show you that right now. So, I'll explain this to you. So, first of all, let me zoom this in. Okay, SID, that is your user, that is a station ID. I don't know what the other stations are. I know that OC is station number 2, and covers is station number 3. I don't know what the other stations are because I don't use those, because these are generally more safe than the other stations. So yeah, 3 is cover, and 2 is the OC remix. Okay. So this is the format of your URL. Okay. Your API key will go here, and your user ID will go here after user. I'll paste this into the comments under the video, so you can reference this. Okay, so now let's make the command. Okay, so let me explain a couple things about this command. So first, yeah, we're calling it rwinfo. The first special identifier is my API key. So let me open a special identifier just to show you. I can't show you my API key, but I can open an identifier here. Okay, so on the left side, you'll call this RW key. On the right side, you'll put your API key and make it globally usable. Okay. I'm gonna delete this one because I don't need it, but you'll keep yours and keep it at the top. They need another special identifier. This one we'll call RW user. On the right side, put your numeric ID and make it globally usable and put it at the top. I'm gonna delete this, but yeah, you keep yours at the top. Okay. Now, as far as actually getting the song info, we're gonna add a conditional. Hit the plus sign. And if arg1 text equals OC, we're gonna do all the stuff that's inside here. Okay, so arg1 text will be the first argument, the first word after the command. And so if that first word is OC, we're gonna go to this drop down right here and select web request, hit the plus sign, and over here, that URL that I showed you, throw it in here. Okay. And make sure this is set to JSON to special identifiers, not to plain text. And then I will paste these. You know what I'll do is I'll paste these inside the comments as well. But this is your title. This first line is your title. So I called it RW title for the special identifier name. For the second line, this is the URL if it has one for the song, and this is the game name. If you do want to know who the artist is, I'll show what you would type in. Okay, I'm gonna copy this first one. So you'd go songs, you'd go 0. Instead of, let's see, instead of albums, you would type in artist, parsable. Then you type in 0 again, and then you type in name. That should be it. No, we don't have to go there. We don't have to go there. Sorry. We'll actually go to, instead of artist parsable, we'll just go to artists. There'll always be at least one artist. There should always be at least one artist. So we can't get both artists. If there's more than one artist, we won't have both artists. We'll only have the first one because we don't know how many artists any given song is going to have. So we'll go artists, 0, and then name. And that should give us the artist. Okay, let's test this out, see if it works. Yeah, so now this will give you the artist. I'd include the artist before, but you probably would want that. So that's how you get the artist in there. Okay. I will paste that in for you as well if you don't want to learn how to do that. So that was this piece right here. And this is the game name, this third one right here. And then in a chat message, this is what I do, okay? I'll paste this in a notepad so you can read it better. Okay, so I have current Rainwave song playing in the OC remix list is RW title. I put quotes around it, but not, I put spaces in between it because I don't want Mixup to think that this quote is a part of this whole thing. I want it to think these are separate. So that's why these spaces are right here. By RW artist from RW game. For more info, go here, RW URL. And again, like I said, this will not always be shown. It'll be there if you're lucky, but you're not always lucky. Okay. Now let's look at the cover info. So here will be the same thing. If arg1 text equals cover, then go to the drop down, add a web request. The same, it's going to be the exact same URL as in here. Okay, but instead of SID equals 2, it's going to be SID equals 3. Okay. There's one thing I have to update here. This one doesn't have the artist. We're going to add the artist right now. It should be the same thing. Yeah, it should be the same thing. Let's update this message right here. Okay. That's pretty much it. That is how you display the song info for an OC remix or for the cover. So let's make sure the cover works. It should. Let's double check it. Yeah, there you go. So, current Rainwave song playing is the cover list is Landmaster AVX25 by Akira Sasaki from Phantasy Star Sound Collection 2. For more info, go here. Okay. Yeah, so that is how you set up a command that gives you song info about the current Rainwave song that is playing in chat, in case anybody can't read it in the overlay. And I was saying before, I do have a fix in case you're not able to get a link for that song. This will not be for this song. This is for another song now, because this song changed. RW info cover. What is this? Okay, so again, no link. But if I do this, okay, I have a YouTube URL. Let's see if this is the song that's playing right now. Okay, I'm gonna pause the music, and let's see if this is the song that I wanted. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like it. Yeah, it sounds like it. Okay, so yeah, I do have a pretty reliable fix for getting the URL if it doesn't show up in here, and I'll talk about that in the next video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. And if you want to talk about Twitch, mix it up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, thank you. Bye.